Hello, my name is Glenn, and I've been using the Herbalife products for over 29 years.
Hi, I'm Monica, and I've been using the Herbalife products for over 18 years, and I feel incredible.
And what we're going to do here today is we're going to go over our basic programs for weight loss. We have a lot of brand new fit campers that we're shooting this video for, but really this video is primarily for anyone that's interested in losing weight, getting in shape, losing inches, and bettering their health. But we just started a brand new fit camp, and I'm telling you, I'm so proud of everybody for your commitment and your dedication and all your efforts. And I'll tell you what, we're having a lot of fun out there, and you guys are going to get great results. But one of the things that we've noticed, I'll be 49 this summer, and I've been working out since I was 13 years old. And what we've learned about working out, what we've learned about fitness, is it's 80% nutrition, 20% fitness. We can go out there and do jumping jacks, we can go to the gym, we can do squats, we can do running, all that stuff. But if we don't feed our body the nutrition that it needs on a daily basis, then we're not going to get the results that we're looking for. I've seen it too many times in the gym where somebody needs to lose weight, and they're in the gym killing themselves, and 6 months later, they've only lost 5 pounds. Primarily because they didn't change their diet, they didn't get on a good supplementation program, etc. So it's very important that you learn how to feed the body properly, and that is certainly the magic of Herbalife. You know, my wife has been on the products 18 years. She's thinner than our 20-year-old daughter. She doesn't want to let you know how much she weighs, but I'm going to tell you she weighs 93 pounds at 43 years old. It's absolutely unbelievable. So what we're going to do is just go through the fast, faster, and fastest program. Again, these are primarily for people, we're going to talk to the folks that want to lose weight, whether you're in our fit camp or whether you're just interested in finding out about the products yourself. But we wanted to shoot this short video here. That way you can learn about it on your own time here over the next 7 to 10 minutes. And we got a couple of incredible surprises for you too, so hold on for that. So essentially this is our fast program. This is our core nutrition products. You get your healthy meal replacement, your shake. You're going to have a 24-gram protein shake. It's got all your carbs, vitamins, minerals, everything, and it keeps you full. The reason that it keeps you full is because you're feeding your body. It's a complete meal replacement, okay? And it's got the 24 grams of protein, which stabilizes your blood sugar so you don't get hungry, so you don't crash, so you don't get fatigued, and so you don't get irritable. That's why when people get on the Herbalife products, they feel fantastic, their energy goes through the roof, and they're not kicking the dog because they're irritable and stuff like that. People get irritable when their blood sugar drops and they start starving themselves. So we've got the Formula One shake. We got a lot of different flavors in that, a lot of great flavors. You can, of course, come into our club, Nutrition Club here, North Texas Nutrition. You can try a lot of the different flavors. We've got 45 different flavors of the different smoothies that we make. We've also got your cell activator, which helps with absorption and cleansing, okay? So it's very important when you take a nutrition product that you can actually metabolize and absorb and assimilate the products. There's a lot of products that are out there on the market. I'm not going to mention any, but you can take these products and they'll go right through your system because of how they're made. They're not quality products. Our products are certainly quality. They're clean. That's why Herbalife is the #1 nutrition company in the entire world. We actually did $7.5 billion last year, and we operate in 91 countries. And this, at the end of this year, we're going to be celebrating our 35th year in business. So we've been dominating the industry for 35 years now. So you can definitely trust when you get on the Herbalife products that you're getting a quality product, you're getting a clean product, and you're going to get what you pay for. And what you're paying for, by the way, is results. Results is the name of the game, and that's what people pay for. So anyway, we got the fast program, and then on top of your core nutrition, your Formula One healthy meal shakes, your cell activator for cleansing and absorption. It also helps, got a lot of other things with the immune system, antioxidants and stuff like that. But you're going to get the best multivitamin on the market. And by the way, this multivitamin, if you put this thing in a glass of water, that thing will dissolve in 10 minutes. There's other multivitamins on the market that you put in a glass of water, an hour later it's still as hard as when you put it in there. So again, that's representative of when it goes in your body, it'll just pass through your system. Herbalife goes into your body, it breaks down, you can absorb it into your body, it feeds the muscle, it feeds the body, etc., etc. And again, that's why people feel the difference on the products, and that's why people get results. It's a quality product. And then finally, with the FAST program, you get one of our favorite products, which is the Herbal Concentrate Tea. And Monica, why don't you tell them about this tea? This tea is unbelievable.
Yes, this tea is awesome. We call it the drink and shrink. It's really incredible. Women love it, especially the more you drink, the more you shrink in inches. I lost over 3 inches off my waist in 6 days, which absolutely is mind-boggling, especially for women when they're trying to trim off a few inches. It does, we call it the fast blasting energy drink as well. It gives you incredible energy, keeps you smiling till midnight, and puts you in a really great mood all day long.
Absolutely. And if you got any spring cleaning to do, take 2 scoops of that. You'll clean the attic, you'll clean the bedroom, you'll do the carpets, you'll do the laundry before you even know what happened. This stuff is unbelievable. And I'll just put a disclaimer out there. It is addictive, because feeling fantastic becomes addictive. This stuff will make you feel great. This stuff gets the job done, doesn't it?
It does.
It really does. So that's what comes in your fastest or your FAST program. The FAST program comes out to about $6 a day. It comes out to $6 a day. So what's cool about these programs, if you start looking at your food bill, you start looking at the bad habits that you might have with eating junk food and stuff like that, whatever your lifestyle might be, you're going to end up saving money on your food bill, number one, and then number two, you're going to get the results that you're looking for. And I tell you what, I know a lot of folks out there that might need to lose 30 pounds, 50 pounds, 70 pounds, and trust me, they pay $500 all day if they can snap their fingers and 50 pounds is gone, 5 feet off their body's gone, and they feel better than they've ever felt in their life. So remember, that's what we're talking about when you get on these products. We're talking about paying for a result, and we're talking about paying for a life-changing result at that. So next we're going to move to our faster program. We've got a couple specialty products on here, targeted products. And these are what we call enhancers. So in the faster program, you're going to get the total control and the cellulose added on to it. So Monica, why don't you tell them what the total control does?
Well, the total control is awesome. It does boost your metabolism, so you're burning more body fat throughout the day. It does suppress your appetite, so you're not having the cravings that you normally have when you don't have it as well. And it does give you mental alertness, so people that need more concentration, you're going to feel a difference with that as well. So this is a really awesome product. I love it because it does target the areas in the hard to lose areas, especially for women. We gain the weight right here in our mid-waist section, and you'll see that coming off very fast when you take the total control with the Herbal Concentrate Tea together. You're going to see a huge difference with your product results.
And you know what I tell people when they use it with the tea in combination with the tea? This is a fat incinerator. Yes. I mean, you're just going to incinerate that fat. And, of course, I know that's what everybody wants to do, and you want to do it quick. So tell them about the cellulose, Monica. This stuff is unbelievable.
The cellulose is awesome. And I always reference women because I'm a woman, but this is really good, okay, for women that have the cellulite. So that's the dimples in your thighs and bowhinding. That will help release the water that we hold in those fat pockets, so it makes it look more smooth and sexy, so that way you don't have that hell damaged look. So we want to get rid of that for summertime and just all around the whole year, really. Yeah. So that way you're losing inches. Also for men that hold water weight in their belly, it's going to help release that extra water weight as well. And same for women, of course, but that's cellulite.
Yeah, cellulose. It gets rid of cellulite. But I tell you what, the cellulose is really amazing because it's such a targeted product. You will lose the inches in the right places. And what's cool about this, it's also got the potassium, vitamin C, and iron, because when you lose water weight, okay, you lose potassium, vitamin C, and iron, and you'll start cramping. That's what diuretics do. That makes you lose water weight, but you start getting cramps and stuff like that. This puts the potassium, vitamin C, and iron back in your body, especially women lose that a lot, especially during that time of the month. So this is great for that. You won't have any cramping, bloatiness, all that other good stuff, or any of the fatigue associated with losing water weight. So it's a very healthy product as well. And trust me, you will lose inches like crazy. My cousin lost 9 inches off his waist in just 2 months because of using the cellulose. So you will absolutely love this product. So next, let's get to the fastest program. The fastest program, we add a couple of extra products on there. We've got the mango aloe for digestion and cleansing. This basically helps everything work twice as fast. Cleansing, absorption, everything that has to do with the digestive system. It'll get your digestive system tight. It'll make it right. And then we got the snack defense. I know you love this one. I see you popping those every single night. Tell them about the snack defense.
Yes, the snack defense is really awesome. It does help control your blood sugar throughout the day. What we do is you want to take 2-3 times a day. You definitely want to make sure you take 2 at night because this does burn body fat while you sleep. We call it the snooze and lose. So for us women that are like addicted to looking really good all the time and making sure we're burning body fat, you want to take 2 right before bedtime so that way you're burning body fat as you sleep. It gives you no energy effect, but it makes you get incredible results. So that is my favorite product.
Exactly, I know. Now just when we have a favorite product, now we're going to talk about Thermobond. Tell them about Thermobond for all of you cheaters,
Now this one is called Cheater's Delight. It's awesome for people that cheat, right? Nobody does that, right? No, I'm just joking. A lot of people do, unfortunately, but that's okay. So the great thing about Herbalife is you still can eat your favorite foods. You just cut back a little bit. But when you do have a high-fattening meal, you just take 1 or 2 before your meal, about 30 minutes before, and it absorbs the saturated fat from our food so it doesn't settle in our system so we don't gain the extra weight that we don't want. Now it also is a fiber tablet so it does keep you full as well and it helps just flush everything out that you don't want.
Keep you regular.
Yes.
Yeah, so a lot of people don't take in enough fiber, so people absolutely love this product. You want to go out and enjoy your Mexican food on the weekend, pop a couple of these before you go have your dinner and you are good to go. You're not going to gain any weight, you're not going to gain any fat, nothing. This stuff is unbelievable.
Yes.
And the last product that you're going to have in the fastest program is the Aminogen. And think of this, we call this a mini gym, And what this does, a lot of people have a problem breaking down protein and bringing it to the muscle. Some people that have weak digestive systems or something, they will eat maybe chicken or steak or something like that, and their stomach will start cramping and they start getting hurting and stuff like that. The Aminogen helps to break down proteins that you eat from your foods, and it helps to break down the protein from these products to promote lean muscle. So you get that real lean, toned look and get ripped and stuff like that, even without going to the gym. So people love this stuff. If that's you, if you got a problem digesting protein, or you want to get lean and ripped, get lean and mean, get tight and right for the summer, then you definitely want to get on the Aminogen. So basically, fast, faster, and fastest. We're talking about $6 a day on this. We're talking about $8 a day on the faster and $11 a day on the fastest program to get the results that you're looking for. And essentially, we break it down to this. Okay, the fast program is generally for people that need to lose between 10 to 15 pounds. 10 to 15, write that down. The faster program, 15 to 25 pounds. And the fastest program is for folks that want to lose 25 to 50 pounds or more. Now, which program that you choose is completely dependent upon your goals, how serious you are about losing weight, and what your budget is. Okay, and I was talking to someone just the other day, and she was like, yeah, I've got this reunion coming up in July, and that was her motivating deal. She's going, man, I gotta look good, and that's why she's out there killing it on the field, and she wants to get on the nutrition program so she can lose weight, enhance the results, get it quick, get it fast, because she's got a deadline. July, that's about 90 days away, and she wants to lose that 50 pounds. So it's very important that you have a something that's pushing you, something that's driving you, a motivating reason. Why? Why do you want to lose weight? You know, you just want to get sexy, you want to get healthy, you want to have more energy. Are you disgusted with how you've been feeling and stuff like that? Or is there a particular event that's happening, like a wedding or a family reunion, high school reunion, or just summertime's coming, it's bikini season, and you're going to have to take off that winter coat, right? So the bottom line is, whatever the reason is, that's going to be the motivating reason that's going to help you decide which which program that you want to get on. Now, here's something that's very important. Okay, our job is not to sell you the products. Our job is to get you results. Okay, that's what Herbalife is all about. And so with the products, with the program that you get on, you get a health coach, a very committed health coach like myself or Monica or like any of the health coaches at North Texas Nutrition, and we're going to help you every step of the way. You come in, you get on the electronic body analysis, we'll get all your numbers, and we're going to be coaching you every step of the way. We're like your personal trainer. We're a personal health coach that you get for free. So when you buy the products, you're also buying us. You're not just going to buy the products and walk out the door and we say, see you later. No way, because we want to make sure that you get the results that you're paying for, that you're after, whatever's important to you. And finally, what I'd like to mention before, because we got a surprise for you here, what I'd like to mention is we also have a wholesale program. Wholesale program for you folks that are always worried about your budget and stuff like that. I'm always worried about my budget. I know people always want to save money. Well, we've got a program inside of our company. It's the VIP customer program. So essentially, you can sign up as a VIP customer for a one-time fee, $57, and you can get the products for life for anywhere between 35 and 50% off the retail price. That's unbelievable. So I know that there's a lot of people at Fit Camp, and people got friends and family members and stuff, and they're doing the Fit Camp together, and sometimes 4 people are doing it together. So what you can do is all of y'all pool your money together, and y'all can all get it at a discount. You can save 25, 35, 42, up to 50 cents on the dollar for any of the products that you get on. So make sure that you ask your health coach about that. If you can't get in touch with your health coach, just come into North Texas Nutrition, and any of the coaches here will be glad to help you. So what I want to do now is we've got a couple of testimonies for you, a couple of stories. So Kim, why don't you come over here real quick and tell them what happened to you on the products. It's just been unbelievable. I remember when you first got started, when you first came into North Texas Nutrition, you were so nervous and you had all these questions, and then we sat down with you and we helped you out. We got you on the products. It's just been life-changing what's happened to you. Why don't you tell everybody what happened?
Thank you. So when I got started over here at North Texas Nutrition, I was actually a full-time college student, and I was working full-time at Subway. I was really unhealthy, and I was just looking for a way out of the disaster that I was heading down. My mom was also very unhealthy. So I got over here, got started on our fastest program. It's unbelievable what's happened. I got started, lost 14.5 pounds in 2 weeks, and it caught my attention. I was so amazed by the results I got. So I kept going, lost 30 pounds in 1 month, and I was like, oh my gosh, this stuff is unbelievable. Wow. So I just kept going, got inspired, just kept going, and fast forward to this year, and I've lost 78 pounds, over 5 feet off my body. My mom has...
5 feet?
5 feet.
Like me.
She's 5 feet, by the way. She's 5 feet. And we got a tape measure here to prove it. Well, look at this. Okay, show them what 5 feet looks like. Show them what 5 feet looks like. Look at that. 5 feet. That is insane.
Yes.
How excited are you about that?
I'm speechless.
Speechless, excited? Now, I'm going to show them your picture. Look at this. Tell them about that, how you used to look.
Well, I think that I'm eating a giraffe.
Yeah.
That's how large I was. I was very large, and I am so inspired by my picture. It's just unbelievable. It's incredible. My mom has also lost over 88 pounds on the product. She does Herbalife in San Antonio.
I just saw a picture of her on Facebook, and she just changed her profile picture. She looks like a supermodel now. Are you kidding? And you were telling me, I remember when she put on that dress after she was on the products for 5 or 6 months, and tell them a little bit about that. Cause wasn't that the first time in your life that you ever saw her in a dress?
My mom makes me cry. She has always tried to lose weight. She's tried Zoom. Well, I won't even list all the things she's tried. It's just incredible. And she was like, this is the last thing. If it works, it works. If it doesn't, oh well. And she just got started, lost her 88 pounds. She's lost over 5 feet off of her body as well. And we went to a training that we have in Dallas 1 month, and she was like, I'm going to do it. I'm going to wear a dress. And I was, at the time, 19 years old, and I had never seen my mom wear a dress in my entire life, except for the day she got married. And she wore a dress, and she walked across the stage, and she was just so excited. And now she just wears, she's wearing like clothes that I gave to her when I was like in my last bit of losing weight. Like my last things that I couldn't, they were falling off, and I was like, here, Mom, and she's like, they're falling off me too.
Wow.
So she messaged me the other day. She said that she was like, I'm catching up to you. My story's gonna be better.
That's incredible.
So
And you know that's what, because we were telling the Fit Campers the other day, that's what's so incredible is when you get on the products, when you start going to Fit Camp and killing it, and you really get passionate about the results that you're after. The side effect is you're going to end up inspiring so many other people directly and indirectly. Some of them are going to be your family members, your mother, your father, your sister, your brother, your cousins, your neighbors, your friends, whatever. But you're going to end up inspiring them beyond belief. And I tell you something, you cannot put a price tag on inspiring other people to change their lives.
it's true.
Yeah, yeah. So I'm just so proud of you, Kim. I tell you, you're killing it out there on the Fit Camp course. You're killing it on the products. Keep up the great work. I'm so proud of you. Adrian, come on in here and tell them what happened to you. If you guys think this was something, wait till you hear this. So this is Adrian. Adrian, tell them what happened. I remember when you first came in, too. You look a little different now, don't you?
Just a little bit.
Just a little bit.
I started over a year ago, and when I first started, I was a full-time college student. I was really lazy, and sure, it was hot, but then it got to the point where it was winter, and I was still walking to class, and I was sweating. I still needed some water, and I was just disgusted with myself. So I walked in here. I met this awesome guy, Glenn. I met Monica, and
Yeah.
I met Kim. And I got started on the fastest program, and my favorite product is the Total Control. Like, it gave me
That one.
plenty of energy.
Yep.
I would take it before test, and it just gave me that mental clarity to like go in there and just dominate that test, and it was amazing.
That's awesome. That's awesome. So let me show this picture. So tell them what the results are.
I've lost 67 pounds and 38 inches off of my body. That's over 3 feet.
Over 3. So
Awesome.
show me what 3 feet is here on that while I show them that picture there. This is Adrian before. Look at that. The one up in the top right, I believe, or the top left, depending on how you're viewing this. That is unbelievable. Now show them how much that is. 3 feet off the body. 38, over 3 feet, 38 inches, right? 3 feet and 2 inches to be exact. Unbelievable. So how do you feel about that?
I feel amazing. Like,
Yeah.
incredible. I never thought I would have got it off.
And you're out there killing it on the Fit Camp field, you know?
Yeah, my mile time went from like 25 minutes to 7.5.
Wow.
From 25 minutes on the mile to 7.5. We got the best picture of Adrian yesterday as well, man, on one of our good cameras. He's right in midair, just killing it, running down the field, man. It's so unbelievable. And that's what's cool about the Herbalife products, too, is because it really fuels your body. It gives you desire to want to go work on your fitness. It gives you desire to want to go out there and kill it. You know, any athlete, anybody that does any sorts of sports or performance working out in the gym, they know how important it is to have the pre-workout, have your nutrition correct on the pre-workout stuff, during workout, and of course your post-workout nutrition, so you can actually recover, feed the body, and get the results that you're looking for. If you're out there going to the gym and you're doing fit camps and you're doing jumping jacks, but then you're not eating healthy and you're not timing your nutrition properly, then I hate to tell you, but you're wasting your time. I mean, it's better that you're out there doing it than being on the couch eating potato chips, but I am telling you this, if you're not doing your nutrition right before, during, and after, eating clean, taking the right supplementation, clean quality supplementation like Herbalife, not like Herbalife, but Herbalife, okay, because there's only one Herbalife, then, you know, that's what you want to do to get the results that you're after, okay? So we all want to get great results, right?
Right.
Right. Okay, we're all going to continue to kill it in Fit Camp. We're going to continue to inspire people, but we wanted to put this quick video together for you guys so you do understand some of our basic programs here for weight loss. You can certainly mix and match depending on your budget. Again, we've got a program for everybody depending on budget, depending on your seriousness, your circumstances, and how fast you want to lose it. So I encourage you to get with one of your coaches at North Texas Nutrition, get your numbers on the electronic body analysis, and let us help you get the results that you're looking for, and let's make this thing happen, and let's put a smile on your face for the rest of your life, okay? So we love you. Thank you for watching. Thank you, guys. I'm so proud of y'all, and we will see you guys at the next Fit Camp, and we'll see you inside North Texas Nutrition. Bye for now.